Would you like to know how you can import your presets to your Lightroom? Stay tuned. It is cold as brick. Alright guys, let me teach you how you can import your presets to Lightroom. Let's say I already gave you, there's a video right here guys, where you can go and get free presets for your Lightroom to edit your photos. If you like it, I will leave it somewhere there and you to this. If it's not, it's gonna be down in the description. You can just click on that link, go to my website and download them for free. Totally free. Alright, let's go to it. Since we're working with Lightroom, what's the first thing I always tell you? Let's go open Lightroom. So we have Lightroom. I have this photo that I used before. So for this to be able to work, you got to go to your develop option, where you can go all the way up here, or you could just click the letter D and will bring you there. As you see right here, this is where you edit most of your photos. Once you're here, you're going to go to this side right here to your left corner. This is where all your presets for your photos are saved. There's a whole bunch of this that the Lightroom give you for free. This is the ones that I use for my social media. So for you to be able to import your presets, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this arrow right here. Well, it's like a plus sign. Right click on it. Right on the bottom, you're gonna see where it says import presets. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna go where you have it saved. I already have mine saved, which is Green Wonderland, and I just work on this one, which is called Green Tone. It's not perfect yet, so I'm still working on it. And just click on it and you're gonna click import. Most likely for me, it's gonna tell me that I already have it, because I already, as you see right here, I already have it in here. For you, you're just gonna add up all the way over here. If you have it saved somewhere else, just make sure you know where you download it. Click import, and you say unable to import, the item will already exist, meaning that I already have it. Once you click on that, it won't tell you that. It will be right here. You can just click on it and you can just move it around depending on what you like and what you don't like. Not that for sure. And this is how you import your presets, guys. Again, there's free presets right on the description. I hope you like them. If you use them, please tag me anywhere you're using, just so I can see it. All my social media are on the bottom as well. I hope you like this video. And if you want any tutorial on photography and videography, just leave it on the comment. I will take care of you as soon as possible. Stay safe.